Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Wizard Service. Today I am going to show you how to use this Chronofix tool. It's a mainspring winder. By the way, this was a gift from Chronofix and I'm really excited to show you guys how it works. There are 4 parts of this toolkit. One is winder base, second is staple jig, third is settler bowl, and fourth is housing barrel. Now I am placing the staple pin into the winder base and I will carefully hook the inner end of the mainspring onto it. Once that's secure, I will set the housing barrel on top of the base. Then I will slowly begin winding the mainspring, making sure it's even and controlled. As you can see, the mainspring is now fully wound inside the housing barrel. Next, I am going to place the barrel on top of the mainspring, making sure everything is aligned. Then I will put the settler bowl on top of it and press it against the surface to secure it.